Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the optical drive ZIF connector and disconnect the optical drive ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the optical drive ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover. Remove the three 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the optical drive assembly to the top cover. Lift the optical drive assembly off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the optical drive assembly onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the three 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the optical drive assembly to the top cover. Insert the optical drive ribbon cable into the optical drive ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Apply pressure along the length of the optical drive ribbon cable to adhere it into position on the top cover.